Hello and welcome to my presentation of the website I built for the Los Angeles metal band Ubiquity. So we'll start actually by going into the admin login for the page. So let's log in here. Okay, so this is a dashboard for the admin. Here we're able to add new band members. So what this would do, we could add the name of the band member, last name, the role in the band, their bio, their social media link, and a picture. When we click add band member on the band page here, it'll be added here. So we have the name, first name, last name, the role again, bio, and their social media link. Now let's go back. So we could also, in addition to adding band members, we could manage our band members. So these are the band members we have added here, and we could actually go in here and add some stuff to their bio, or edit their role, or their last name or first name. This website is live, so I'm not going to be updating any of this stuff for them. But yeah, we could also update their pictures here, and we could delete them if needed. Okay, so let's go back again to our admin login. Here we could add a show. So if they have an upcoming event or show, we could add it here. So we would add the title of the event, the date of the event, a link to the event page, and then a picture, so like a flyer of the event, and then that will display over here under shows. So they have an upcoming show on July 24th, and it's linked to the page where you could purchase tickets. So let's go back to the admin dashboard. So we could also manage the shows. So here we could change the date of the show if needed. Click on this calendar and change the date. Edit the name of the show or the event, or edit the link or delete it, or change the flyer of the show. Next, what we have is add music. So here, this actually accepts Bandcamp embedded links. So you could head over to Bandcamp, choose our embedded player here, customize it, and then just copy the link, paste the link in here, add the name to the album or track, click add music, and if we go to music, it's now updated here. Now let's go delete this. So again, we go into the admin dashboard here. We could manage our music. So here we have the one that I just added. We could also update the link through here, or change the name, or delete it. So let's delete these two, and just keep the ones that are current. Now we go back to music, and it's up to date. So we also have a contact page here. It's currently under construction. I need to take some time to build that within the next week. Yeah. So again, that was more of the admin features. Now if we log out, regular user, eventually we're gonna hide this so that it's not easily accessible through the front page. But for now, while we're testing the website, it's a convenient way to access it. So essentially, it's just gonna have the home page here, where we have our most current music video, and our Instagram API here. We'll have the band here, the description of the band members, the shows, the music, and again the contact form. Thank you for watching. I'll leave my LinkedIn, my GitHub, and my portfolio link in the description. Feel free to reach out. and thank you for watching.